Hey, welcome. What is inside here? I'm very curious to know what is inside this thing. Inside. Let us see. Wow, cute rabbits in their habitat. Yeah, they finished their food. They're so jovial seeing me. They cuddle very well. Bunnies are so cute. Yeah, that's the male rabbit. The ones that are behind are female. Yeah, so happy. Let me feed you guys right now. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, become a VIS, my very important subscriber. Yeah.